To set up a freshwater aquarium, you'll want to place the aquarium on a level stand designed to support the weight of an aquarium, which will be about 10 pounds per gallon when set up. You'll want to add a filter. I like hang on the back filters as they are easy to set up and maintain, and they create a waterfall effect that adds oxygen. Add about 2 to 3 inches of gravel along with any decor you like for fish to hide and feel secure. Then add dechlorinator to your tap water and fill the tank. Take a probiotic bacterial supplement. This will add the beneficial bacteria that will detoxify fish waste. Then you can add a few small fish to the aquarium while monitoring ammonia and nitrite with a test kit over the 4-week cycle, doing water changes if either of these gets too high.